Yeah, I was wondering about the sound. When I press the gas, you hear this really annoying sound. And after a while, it just stops when I keep going up. But let go, push again. I don't know if you ever hear that, but I'll do it again. Coming from the driver's side, something like that, like when you push the gas, it makes a sound. But sometimes when I hit the brake, like as I'm hitting the, like when I'm stepping on the brake, it still makes this annoying sound. But it's not happening like right now. But there it goes again. Just when I start up, go. It's only going like 20, and it's making this annoying sound. So please tell me what's wrong with my car. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thanks.